Hello students, hope you all are well. Okay, so we were on the chapter, migration chapter, and we have completed the impact of migration up to impact of migration. Today our topic is brain drain and impact of brain drain. So first of all, we have to understand what is brain drain. Brain drain, it is a process on which those skilled laborers or skilled people, they used to move their home country and they used to go to a developed ones. Okay, so when this migration happens in a large scale migration is going on, and a very means a knowledgeable and skilled people, they are leaving their home country and moving towards a developed one. That is called brain drain because it is related to the knowledge and the skill which they acquire. Okay, now two factors are related to this brain drain process. One is push factor, another one is pull factor. Push factor means the factors which are forcing the people to leave their home country and to move towards the developed country. What are the factors? They are acting as a force or pushing the people towards the developed country. We can say that poor working capacity or poor working atmosphere is present, a low standard of living, that is another thing. Educational opportunities are very less over here, health opportunities are very less over here, job opportunities are also less. So these are some of the factors which led the people to move from home country and to move towards the developed country. Okay, now what are the pull factors? It works as a magnetic power. The developed countries, they are having such facilities that they can attract the people from their home country. That is called pull factors. So basically the opposite factors are considered as pull factors. What are they? Better standard of living, better job opportunities, high payable jobs, then health facilities are also there, good educational facilities, higher living standard. So these are, and prestige is also there, political stability, it is another reason. So these are some of the factors which works as a pull factor and they help people to move from their home country and to settle down to the developed ones. Now, what is the effect of this brain drain? Always keep it in your mind that all the topics, they are having both the types of effect, all positive and negative. What are the positive effects? Positive effects, it is not basically from brain drain, the home country, they are losing their capable person, and developed country, they are getting more knowledgeable person. This is obviously the main impact, but some of the positive impacts are also there for the home country also. How it is going on? So those people who are leaving home country and moving towards the developed one, they are gathering knowledge over there, they are getting more skilled, and then when they are returning to their country, so they are having a good job offer over there, and the government of that home country, they can use this skilled person and knowledgeable person in various fields. Not only that, when they are working in the developed countries also, they are sending some money to their house. Okay, that is called remittance. When they are sending the remittance to the home country or their house, it promotes the household income as well as economic growth of the country also. So these are the positive effects of brain drain. But negative effects are also there. Basically, as the high knowledgeable person, trained person, they are leaving the country. So the home country is losing human resource. There are lacking of labor, shortage of knowledgeable person. So they are the loser one. But the developed countries, they are the gainer one, as they are getting more knowledgeable person and they can use these knowledge in the various fields. Lastly, we can say all the investment which we have done, our home country has been done for the education purpose or health purpose. Those people, those who has got education in the home country only, so it all goes into vain because they are not living in the home country, they are leaving the country and moving towards another one. So loss of tax revenue, this is also another negative effect of brain drain. So this was today's tutorial. We will meet once again in our next class. Thank you.